Hello everyone and welcome. Today I have an unboxing of the new Manhattan S4-R Freesat box. This is the new Freesat box that was released mid-April 2026. I live in Ireland, so yes, you can buy these boxes to use in Ireland and you can use the Freesat service in Ireland. I'll give some more information on that at the end of the video, but for now, I'll leave you with the unboxing. Okay, so what you get in the box is the Manhattan S4-R itself, the remote, batteries for the remote, the power supply, premium HDMI cable, quick start guide, and information sheet. Like I said at the start of the video, I live in Ireland and I have ordered this Freesat box from the UK. I ordered it from amazon.co.uk as it's the cheapest at the time of making this video. In case you're wondering, it cost me €265 altogether, which I think is a very good price. If you was to buy this from somewhere else, it would most likely cost you over €300. And yes, the €265 includes postage and customs. And yeah, that's it for this unboxing of the Manhattan S4-R Freesat box. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. But thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.